turret and our different nozzles, and that really the options come in really important for the back end, for the filtration system. If we're doing some deburring on aluminum parts, hydraulic manifolds, the filtration is usually pretty easy. We'll catch those chips. That's pretty easy for us to get out of our system. If we're doing some cast iron stuff, a lot of times we're hitting it with pressure. We've got nanoparticles and a lot of that cast coming off. We've got to get that stuff out of our system. We don't want to run it back through our high pressure pump. So that's where a lot of the options on our filtration system will come in. I've got to get that water, add a lot more stages of filtration to make sure that I've got that water clean going back to the pump. Again, the options, we basically turnkey just about every project. We're going to design your fixtures for you. We're going to pick the nozzles that you need to process your part and write the programs for you. So my engineering staff, when we get your part and that, we're going to come up and say, here's our solution in a whole package for you. And we're going to do it from cradle to grave. But there's really not a ton of options per se. It's kind of the standard base, and how are we going to process your part? The filtration is probably the biggest option that we have on there. There are some new things coming out with some fifth axis stuff and whatnot, but I'm sure we can touch on that later.